Today I'll be doing the weekly forecast on synthetic indices. Yesterday I did on currency pairs. I did the forecast on currency pairs. Today we'll be doing it on synthetic indices. So starting with VIX 75. So this is actually a weekly forecast. I want to see what price is doing and it's most likely to be doing for the week. So to do that, to achieve that, we are going to be starting from the weekly time frame. So if you like what I do, please smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Then turn on the post notification bell, and if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is in the description box. Click and join right away. You can reach me for mentorship. Join the February mentorship and let's get started. Let me teach you how to become a profitable trader. Now on the weekly time frame, all we are going to do is to mark the key levels available to us. So here on the weekly time frame, we can mark the area with the most touches. So here are the areas where price got respected previously. Now the next one is this place. We have this low excuse me. So that's just all we need on the daily, on the weekly rather. However, on the daily we have this. We have this. Okay, so at this point you can see these touches. So yep, we also have these touches at about this point. I think that's all we need on the daily time frame. So the next we go to H4 time frame. On the H4 time frame, basically there is nothing much again. So there is really nothing much. So maybe we should just adjust this one lower. So our focus is now more on the current price action. All right, so let's see the H1 time frame. So this is the H1 time frame. So we have this level, so we can just mark it. This is the H1 time frame. So this is the level we have right here. Okay, so we have multiple touches at about this point, and then so right at about here price is currently on a very important level here, on this level. So if you zoom in, you can see that. Okay, let's just go up again. You can see that level, price respected it here also. Price respected it multiple times here also. So it's a level of value actually. Now at this point price is ranging from there, and there is nothing you can do at the moment. Okay, so when price is ranging here, you don't take a trade. All you want to see is a breakout. If price should break out here, you wait for a retest, then you can buy. Otherwise you want to wait for price to come back here, and wait for price to come back here, either break out of this level, then wait for a retest before you sell. That's just what we want to see on VIX 75. Maybe, just maybe, by Monday everything would have started playing out. It would have become clear, right? Maybe by Monday it would have become clear for us to see. Price might have broken out of here or here. So let's just wait and see. So let's see VIX 75 1S. VIX 75 1S. So on Saturday I took this trade here. It was a kind of stacking. I stacked a trade there, and I also dropped the signal in the signal group. I dropped the signal and we rolled it up to this point. I made profit here, a good profit. That's what I made from there. About $500. Yep, that was what I made from it. To some people it's not much, but it's something reasonable. So this is the weekly time frame on VIX 75 1S. So we want to mark the low. This is the most recent low price has created, and this is the highest low here. I mean the highest high where price has reacted multiple times. Okay, so basically I want to place this thing where price has reacted multiple times. There is no clear point where price has reacted multiple, apart from here. So price has reacted here multiple times. I think that's where we should take. Then on the daily, let's see, on the daily time frame, yeah, on the daily time frame, we have somewhere here, that price has reacted multiple times, but that's not very nice. This is not giving me what I want. It's not giving me what I want, so I'm just going to use the current price action. That's what I'm going to follow. This low here, this level where price reversed from, this level where price reversed from, that's just what I'm going to use. So let's go to H4 and see what is there. Meanwhile, we have this level here also. We have this level, yeah, price rejected it multiple times, so it's cool, we'll take it. Then let's go to H4. On the H4 time frame, this is what we have here. I think it's clearer now. We have here price has rejected it multiple times, and we also have this level, price has reacted there multiple times. Yeah, so this is a very significant level. And yeah, I think this one is here. Yeah, and is there any other one? Let me see if this place. Okay, so we have here, let's just mark here, price has reacted there. We can see what price is doing. Price has bounced from this level of support here and is pushing up. Now if you study the price action, what has it been doing? It has been creating higher highs and higher lows, which means we are in a bullish market, we are in an uptrend. Okay, so basically price just came to retest this demand level here. You can see this other block. Yeah, that's where price came to retest. Now we are bullish, but at this point you can't take any trade, right? You can't take any trade there. So let's go to H1. Okay, so on the H1 time frame, you can see another level of importance here, level of value here. This is an area of interest here. You can see how many times price reacted there. You can see we have this price rejected it here, here, and even here. So we have multiple rejections, so it's an area of value on the H1 time frame, and this needs to be adjusted a little. Yeah, okay, so this is a good area of interest. So what we expect now is for price to probably either go hit here and reverse, or reverse from here, because you can see this little resistance here. So to just come back here around this area and then to push up. Probably we have this other block here. It might just use it. So probably this other block here. So we are going to be focusing on this area, okay, between the support level here to this other block. So that's just going to be our area of interest. If price comes back there, we'll find an entry. So something like this, and yeah, this is it, something like this. So this is what we want, and we might catch a whole lot of nice move to the upside. This is massive, guys. So this is just very clear, very simple and clear. You know, we trade a very simple strategy. So let's see VIX 50 index. VIX 50 index. So coming from, okay, let's see, is it VIX 50 or VIX 51x? Let's see VIX 51x. Okay, VIX 51x coming from the weekly time frame also. I think I prefer VIX 51x. So let's look at it. So okay, we have this high right here. Let's use this high right here. Okay, and we have this area here I don't want to really go to I don't want to start going toward this area because we might not really, well, let me just cover it. No, we might not really need it, but let me just cover it just in case. Price might still run very fast and come to them this week. You never can tell. Sometimes price will be very, very strong in its movement, and that time is to be slow. So this is just what we need, and that's all we need. Oh, let me just get this high for the weekly. Okay, so on the daily, let's go to the daily. On the daily, we have other levels of multiple touches. Let's mark some other levels of multiple touches. Okay, so we have this level where we got multiple touches here, and then we have this other level. We have another level here with multiple touches. So these are our key levels, our levels of interest. We are not just marking any and anyhow place. We are marking levels where there's been a significant price rejection, where price has rejected multiple times, because from our study we understand that areas where price have respected multiple times before, it is most likely to respect them again when it comes there. Something is most likely to happen. If it breaks it, then it's going to come back for a retest. If it doesn't break it, then it's going to bounce from there. One of them must happen. So on the H4 time frame, let's see, is there anything to mark here again? Is there anything to mark here again? So I think focusing on this area of current price, so this area of support here, you can see how price has been respecting it, and this is resistance. So probably I should move this higher. Okay, so yeah, so this is the upper range, this is the lower range, this is the upper range. So let's get the mid range here. Let's get the mid range. Price has respected the middle like this. So this is the mid range where price has been. You can see that price cannot place it here because of here, can also place it here. So let's just place it at the middle. See, price has respected it here, 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 and here, even here. Even here also, you can see the little rejection there. So that's the right place to place it. Price has been respecting those areas. All right, so let's see H1 time frame. This is the H1 time frame. Now we're not marking anything again. So if you look at this, should we buy or should we sell? What did he say? You see, we cannot buy now, we cannot sell now. If you go back to the daily, we are in an uptrend, right? Price is going upwards. If you go back to the weekly, the same thing, price is trading up. If you go back to the 4 hours time frame, yeah, rejection. Yeah, so price has come to this level and it's rejecting from this key level. Wow, so I think we'll be finding buys. We are going to be buying actually. It's a buy bias that we have here. However, for you to buy, you want to, look for a place where your risk, your drawdown will not be much. If you look at this, price just broke this high. Maybe I should go lower to our entry time frame, 15 minutes time frame. So look at the price just broke this high. That's just a break of structure there. Let me mark it. Yep. So price just broke it, and want to see price come back to this area of value. This is the other block here. So let me place this. So this is our other block. Want price to come back here, right? You can see the imbalances here. So price is filling up the imbalances and then coming to retest the other block, and then boom, to push up. So this is what we expect to see right here. This is what we want to see right here. Okay, so this is what we expect to see. Price just push up there. Okay, so this is what we expect to see. Basically, price is going to take this as liquidity. So price is going to liquidate this guy here. Yeah. which it has done. So it's going to come down here. This might just be an inducement, so price is going to come down here and then to push up. Very simple. Let's see 151s. I think I like that one too. Need to look at jump also. Wow, jump 10 probably. Okay, so this is 151x on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we just have, wow, price has been crashing massively. My goodness me, price has been crashing massively on the weekly. So I think this is the only thing we need now. We don't need to mark this high. We don't need them. It's not relevant to us now. Price has made an all-time low on the weekly time frame of VIX 151s. So let's go to daily time frame. Okay, so here we can actually mark more levels. Can mark more levels. I think we can mark this high. Yeah, can notice it. Can take note of this high. Yeah, and then probably can take note of this high and this low. Yeah, so that's just it. Price is dropping crazily. Wow. So let's see the H4 time frame. H4 time frame. So man, this is crazy. This is crazy. I didn't see this. So price has been dropping massively, and there are no much levels to even mark here. So just have this. Wow, how do we enter trade here? This is crazy, guys. This is like it has been a waterfall. Okay, on the H1, this kind of trendy market, you need to, you need to find entries from the lower time frames. You can't just find from the higher time frame like that. So these are areas. Yep, these are some key areas we can lay hand on. So okay, so probably this level too, because the price is very strong. So let's take note of this level also. If price should come back there, if price should pull back there, we should look for entry signal. So let's see M15, our entry time frame. Wow. So I don't know, this area, you see price is very, very strong. So we have to be, if we really want to get any entry here, we have to be, willing to risk. Have to be willing to take risk. So we are going to be targeting here as our level of interest. Yeah, and to be targeting this area as our point of interest. So when price goes there, anywhere around there, then we find an entry confirmation, then we take a sell. Don't just enter without confirmation, guys. Remember, this thing has dropped for so long. Don't just sell for no reason. Don't sell without any confirmation. Okay, so one confirmation I like using is break of counter trend line and break of lower time frame structure, and that is change of character, right? Lower time frame change of character. If I'm using M15 to find my entry, then I'll go to M5 for M3 to find the change of character. That's what I do. Then I'll be good. Okay, candlestick, bullish rejection candlesticks, or in this case bearish rejection candlesticks. That is bearish engulfing pattern, evening star, maybe gravestone doji candlesticks or stuff like that. That's just what I need. Okay, so this is it about it. Let's now check let's check jump. Let's go to jump. Okay, step index. Yeah, I love step index, man. Let's see step index from the weekly time frame. This is what we have. Step index must always give you some structure. Okay, so I have this. This is the first low. This is another level of interest here where price has rejected multiple times. And then we have this area also. Yeah, we have this area where price has rejected multiple times. Then this area also. Now let's go to the daily. So the reason we have to do all this is that it is by doing this we are able to find the best entry position, the best level of value. Okay, because we want to only trade from a level of value. Okay, so now that we are going down, our attention will be drawing closer to this current area of price level. We will not be focusing too much on what is going on all over here again. So we'll be coming closer to the current area of price. Okay, so let's go to H4. This is H4 time frame, and this is H4 time frame. Let's see. Okay, we can mark these levels. You can see these levels. Price has been rejecting that level. We also have this one. Price has been rejecting here, even though it's not very now the drawing might not be very accurate, but it is very accurate in the sense that I have always told you guys that this line we are placing here, you should not view them as a solid line but a zone, because some will cross it and some will not get to it. For instance, this one now didn't really get to it, but it counts. It's one of it. Yes, it counts. Now this one crossed below it a little, it's also part of it. This one exactly on it is part of it. This one crossed below it is part of it. This one here did not get to it, it's also part of it. That's how we read support and resistance. Now this one didn't get to it, it's part of it. This one crossed it, it's part of it. This one, all these ones crossed it, they are still part of it. Okay, so it's a zone and not a solid line. Noted. So price has been bullish on step index. Price bullish, and at this point price has broken out all these highs very what do you call it again, very aggressively. Now it came back to retest this other block, and now it's giving you this, that's giving this rejection with this strong bullish candle. So this is a good confirmation that price is now going up. So price is going to be buying. We are bullish on step index. Let's see H1. My goodness me. So this is it. There's no doubt about it. We are bullish on step index, no doubt about it. And there's nothing to even mark here again. There's nothing more to mark here. We are bullish on step index. I don't want to mark anything again. So I don't know. I shouldn't mark anything again. Let's just have it like this. So let me use my trend line. You can see here. See here, so we've got a break of trend line. I want price to pull up and come down. Now let's go to our entry time frame. You see what's happening here, you understand better. Okay, good. So this is what is happening here. First of all, price has broken my moving average, my 50 period moving average actually. Then price has broken this high. That's change. We have a change of character. Even they did a little retest here. So we have price has broken our trend line, giving us a change of character. Also broke our moving average. So wants price to come back. Now there are two targets here. I want you to look at this very well. You see this, a key level of interest, which is we have another block there, and we have this imbalance right here. Okay, however, price might decide to bounce from here also, so you have to be very watchful. Price might decide to bounce from here. That's what it does most times. You just bounce from here and push up. So if you're waiting here, you miss it most of the time. Sometimes it will, here the way I'm seeing here, it might liquidate here. I'm seeing these two equal lows, so it might liquidate it and come down all the way here to fill this imbalance, and then from there it will now push up. So this is what you should look out for. Okay, this is what you should look out for. It might play out. So for the purpose of this video, I will say that this is our point of interest. This is our point of interest. So this is what we are looking for price to come here, and we'll go long. This one is going to give you a very high risk reward ratio. Okay, so we're gonna give us a very high risk reward ratio in the sense that we'll be targeting this high all the way here. So this is massive. If you're able to join this one on time, you're gonna cash out big time. So this is it. Step index, crazily bullish. All right, so what else? Jump. Let's do jump. Jump 10. I cashed out from jump 10. Yeah, I made money from jump 10, which you can see here. Made money from jump 10. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see. Okay, so we have this high on the weekly. We also have this other high here, and we also have this other level here. The price has retested multiple times again. We also have here, okay, let's say here, yeah, the price has retested multiple times as well. So basically, if you check very well, you might also see that price has, this place is worthy of notice also. So let's take note of it. Let's mark it, because price ranged there for a long time. So on the daily time frame, this is what we have. Price price has been dropping. As you can see, it has making lower lows and lower highs right here, and eventually it has broken this level. It has also come back to retest and is still dropping. So on this, like, this is crazy, guys. I made a video about this last week. Actually, I made a video about it. If you watched it, you would have seen. I told you guys it will test here and drop. So that's what it has done. Now it's dropping. Price is still going to be dropping more. So let's go to, okay, so it's going to be dropping till probably our next key level. So let's go to H4 now. This is H4. So we have to mark somewhere here so that we'll be able to find entries. You have to mark somewhere so that we can find entries right here. Okay, so this is here. Is a key level where price has reacted multiple times. Okay, so this is another key level here, that level where price has reacted multiple times also. Then so you can see price came out and tested it. Let's go to H1. Price actually came out and tested it. This was where I took my profit, closed my trade. Then price came back, retested this level. Today being Sunday actually, so I was in church. I didn't trade this one. So I was not looking at it. Now it's dropping, so we've missed this one. So I don't know how far it's going to drop. Maybe it's going to drop to this point. Let's just mark here. It's going to go and take out this high, this low. When it breaks it, that's when it will come back for a test. So when it breaks or hits this low, to come back, retest this area, and they will find another sell opportunity. That's how you are going to trade these guys. Jump 10 indices is on fire. It's on fire to the downside. So we have to find a way to, cash in and cash out, because we have to cash in for you to cash out. So let's find a way to cash in to this. So this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. I love this kind of setup. I love this kind of setup. So guys, I am open for account management. My mentorship is currently going on. You can contact me for any of them, for account management, for mentorship, or you can join my VIP signal group for premium signals, where I drop signals every day. So this was a crazy one, guys. Price broke this trend line, came back to the other block, and then crashed. Wow, this is a whole lot of money. Okay, so we expect price, to come back. We don't know when. We expect it to come back, and then we pick it from there and ride it to this key level, to this very level. Yeah, that's what we expect next. You ride it to that level That's where it's going to. So that's it. I don't know, should I continue? Which one should I do again? Okay, 251x. 251x has given me a lot of money some time ago. Gave me a lot of money, so let me do it. Let's analyze it. 251x is it's like at an all-time low right now. So can't really draw anything on the weekly time frame for some reason. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so we can see now, we can see some levels. So let's draw. Here we have this as the low created recently, so it's our support. So we have this high for our resistance. We have this area also. Price has rejected this area multiple times, so it's important. Let's go to H4 time frame. Okay, yep. H4 time frame, we can see this level where price has reacted multiple times, so we mark it, and yeah, I think that's all we need for now. That's all we need for now. So looking at it now, you can see what price is doing. So I guess price is changing direction. So we have to see what price is actually doing, because before now it has been dropping, it has been trending downwards, but it looks like it wants to change direction. Looks like it wants to change direction. It has broken this trend line. If you see, it has broken this trend line. If you start it from here also, it has broken it, which this is the best place to place the trend line. So price has broken the trend line, and let's see H1 time frame. Okay, so basically price is resting at this key level. So I think price is resting here. Yeah, that's where it just tapped. So we are going to see what will happen. We don't really know for sure. That's a very strong key level, and other block for that matter. So price might decide to fall from there. So what we are going to do is we are going to place this trend line here. We are going to watch what will happen. If price breaks it and starts dropping, then we are going to sell. But for now, we'll fold our hands and watch what it's doing. If it eventually decides to break out of this high, then we'll also watch it. Probably to be coming here, and God help it breaks out of this high. Oh my God! If it breaks out of this high, guys, it is going to fire up all the way to this level. It is a sign of uptrend, change of uptrend. Once it breaks this high, it's going to fire up the way here. So let's fold our hands and watch. So for now, no trade, right? Don't trade, don't do anything. Okay, until there is a confirmation, there's a clear direction of what price is doing. Excuse me. So I think we can also have here. Yep, we have a good trend line here. So have a good trend line here, but we can't for sure say that this is what price will do on that. So let's see what it does first. Even if price should break this trend line, I still won't be confident enough to take the trade. I might want to see it break this low, then go and retest. I will now say from there. So that's what I want to see. All right. So I think we are good. Let's stop it here. Maybe let's do one more. Jump 100. Let's do jump 100 and see. Guys, you have to always know what the market is saying for the week. When you are starting a new week, you have to know what the market is saying so that you get your directions. You know the instruments that are very clean and have a very clear direction, so that you focus on them for the week. And then you plan your trade, know your risk, know what you are planning to risk for that week, and your targets. Right, so this is it, and let's go to daily. Meanwhile, from the weekly perspective, you see that price is falling already, so we might be bearish. Now from the daily, you can see price is falling, and it has tapped into this crazy area of rejection and it's dropping. So if we eventually get price breaking this trend line here, if you eventually get price to break it significantly, we might be tanking downwards, might be going down. So but if you get price to break above this high, it is going to be pushing up very high. So let's see H4 and know what it is saying. So the H4 time frame, from the H4 time frame, it looks like price is on a support level. Of course, that's what it is, not as it looks like. It is on a support level, so it might react from here, and we can see this minor structure here, so it might just break it, and it will be, if it breaks it, it will be a change of character. I will be buying from there. So let's see H1, what it will tell us. Okay, this is H1. So price has already broken here. Price has already broken here. All right, price has broken it already. So I would like to find, oh shit, I would like to find a buy from this area. If price gives me a good reason to sell, to buy, I will buy. So this is it, probably. Yep, let me refine it better. So if price gives me a good reason to buy, I'll buy from here. So take note of this, guys. Take note of this. A very good buy setup here. A very good buy setup right here. So price has actually broken out of our key levels, and any trend line you have here, price has also broken it. Yeah, price has broken out of the trend line, broken the neckline as well. So we want to go long, and we're targeting all the way to this high, this key level. Wow, this is a massive buy. This is a massive buy, guys. A massive buy on jump 100 index. If it goes our way, yeah, massive buy on jump 100 index. But if price breaks this, if price doesn't go that way, then it might come down. It might come down to this key level. That's if it breaks this area. But I don't think it will break it. But let's just watch. Let's just watch. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what I think. This is my view. This business is very speculative. You can't tell the market what it should do. It doesn't care what you think it will do. So you have to be very, very discretionary in your trading. You have to trade with so much discretion. Okay, have discernment, have clarity of what you want to see. So that is it, guys. If you like what you see, you can smash the like button, and you can also contact me for mentorship. And my Telegram link is in the description down below this video. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram. Okay, so send me a message on Telegram to join my mentorship group or my VIP Signal group, or you can contact me for account management. Let me trade for you, and we share profits. All right, so that's it, guys. Peace out, and don't forget, it can only get better. Bye.